Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. So for example, if it doesn't respond to your touches, you cannot do anything, you cannot scroll, etc. So all you have to do to kind of fix that, to soft reset it, is to press the power button long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press the power button, which is located right here, and press it for approximately 10 seconds. Until we'll see the black screen. Keep pressing, even though we've got this restart option. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing. We've got a black screen, which is a really good sign, as we know. Keep pressing. I felt the vibration. I can see the developer's logo, so we can release the finger. And from now on, we have to simply wait until our device will be fully restarted. And it will work, I hope, perfectly again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.